What's up, guys? So today we're gonna have a life hack tutorial on how to fix your iPod. So here's my iPod. It's been run over by a few cars. Whatever. Here's a life hack. So basically, now that you have your iPod in device, all you gotta do is just turn that puppy round and round. And, yep. And then, look at that, good as new. Oh, yeah, we forgot a corner. Hold on. There we go. Look at that. Look at that shine. And if you have any extra kinks, all you need is one of these.
If I'm wrong, I cannot do this from my laptop.
No, but I mean, just look at that. It's good as new. All right, Jake Paulers. That's all for next time.